Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Topojo, and this is Forex AM review with Relia FX. Today, I'm looking at the trading plan for gold XAUUSD, and this is the 4 hours chart we're looking at. All right, so yesterday we had a rally down. Okay, and that was good for about 200 and something pips. Okay, and here we are today. The view I have for today is this. If you look at what price did, price came here, did a little range, broke out of that range. Okay, and we are having a sort of indecision in the market. All right, so looking at what we would be doing today, I expect that the movement to the downside will continue, because if you look at this chart from the daily, you will see that this move is a continuation. Okay, and then if we get to this point, we should make a decision on what to do next. So I look at this, and first thing I expect price to do is to come to this area, and we'll make a decision on, let me change this to white so it can be easier to see. All right, so I expect a move into this range first and foremost, see what price wants to do. Okay, so if price gets to this point, it has the option of doing two things. First is it has the option of retracing. If it retraces, depending on which of these levels price get into, we could have price retracing back to this area, or it can go into this area for the retracement. That's the first thing we can have. Now the second kind of move we can have is price can do a break and retest in this area. Note I said break and retest. Break and retest means that price will break, come back. Okay, let me make that clear. So price can do a break, retest, and then we go down. So the first area will be this one, and the second one will be this area. Okay, so this will be my view for today. All right, so in short, what I'm saying is price will sell from this area, get into this range. When it gets into this range, it has the option of deciding whether it will reject this area and go back up. This is our first take profit. I could label those ones too. Let me put text, let me put TP1 here. Okay, TP1. Okay, let's put TP1 here, and let's also see if we can put a TP2 here. Okay, to show you clearly what I'm saying. Let me change this. Change this to TP2. Okay. Alright, so this is what we have for TP1 and TP2. Same thing applies to this, or on the downside, this would be TP1, and then this would be our TP2 for that movement. So that's what we'll be looking at. Primarily, this box is going to determine which direction we eventually go, whether we're moving up or moving down. But the first move will be a move down, and then once we have this, then we'll make a decision in this area. All right, so that's what we have for today. On the economic side, we have a news coming out by 1:30 GMT plus 1 time, that's the GDP coming, and then we have jobless claims, and then by 3 o'clock we have the home sales. Note this times GMT plus 1 times. All right, yeah, so let's sit back and trade and see how the price will play out. Please ensure that you practice good money management, and then you maintain a good focus on your trade today. All right, see you after the trading, and then we will analyze how the market went and what we're able to do. All right, have a great time. Cheers.